Hey everyone, I'm WYGO Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people pick up when they do a Boxycharm Drop Shop pop-up sale add-ons haul, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I am super confused. Why do I have two boxes? I swear I only did one purchase at the time I made my selections back in July and got two products. Now, old lady brain is real and it's very possible I double dipped. I've been known to do so. But what? So this will be interesting and exciting. The two products I did pick up, I actually remember what they are. I will not spoil that. But let's just say the reason I don't have any eyeshadow on is because, can you guess? Yes. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and figure out why I have two boxes. Did they maybe just ship from separate warehouses? Although this is pretty heavy. This one is less heavy, but I don't know. Only one way to find out. I hope everyone is staying cool. I live in the Seattle area, which notoriously is pretty mild compared to the rest of the US. Ooh, I think we're on day 6, possibly 7, where it's 95 degrees, which for Seattle is extremely hot. Global warming, she's real. All right, apparently I did get more than the two items, which is fine. This first box has the eyeshadow palette that I'm super excited. It is the Lunar Beauty Nude Prisms palette. When I saw spoilers that the folks who get the premium box were getting this, I was like, oh, please, please have it in the drop shop. And they did. And I want to say it was only $15. And this retails for $48. Look how beautiful this packaging is. Beautiful pink, peach. It's raised up. This moon has texture. The flowers have texture. It's beautiful. But what's even more beautiful is the color story. It's a beautiful neutral. You do get some nice peachy pinks. This middle row, I believe, are all the shimmers. You get some nice dark colors to help deepen up the look. I cannot wait to put together an eye look with this palette. All right, let me get through the rest of the items and then I will do a try on. Next item is bubble wrapped. Apologies for the noise, but that usually means it's makeup. And yes, ooh, what did I get? Something from FENTY. This is the Killawatt Freestyle highlighter in the shade Metal Moon. Yes, kind of coming back to me. I vaguely remember, but I don't remember getting it at the same time. Obviously I did. All right, look how beautiful her packaging is. And dumb luck or laziness, I'm actually not wearing a highlighter today, which is great because now I can try this on if I can ever figure out how to get this open. Leave me a comment if you also struggle opening compacts. Is that just me? What? I don't understand why this is so hard. Okay, well there goes flying out the little protector. Oh, okay. Oh, wah, wah. Doesn't open all the way. All right, so it's very light white. Let's do a swatch, and I'm curious if it is holographic or just what you see is what you get. Interesting. All right, so it's right there. That will be great for my fairness. When I said interesting is it looks white in the pan, white on my finger, but on my skin it has a very soft, subtle kind of gold tone. Not super gold, but not as white as it looked in the pan. All right, let's throw some on my face. She's blingy. All right, and the last item in this box. Oh no, I'm already wearing blush. This here is from OFRA, and it's the Blush Mai Tai Liquid to Baked and Smoothing Blush. All right, so this is a full-size OFRA product. Whoa, okay. And let me turn it that way so you can really see. It is a lot more orange sherbet coral than what I was shopping for from the pictures online. Let me think long and hard. since I'm already wearing blush, I don't know if I want to swatch this. This may be set aside for my 1K giveaway. All right, on to the second box. All right, I am super confused. The second box has the 2 items that I recall picking up. So we have 2 repeat items. I'm not even going to take it out of the packaging because I need to figure out, did I buy this twice? Did they, oopsie, send me a free extra? I'm very confused. But my mistake is your benefit. So guess what's going to be in the 1K giveaway? We have the Nude Prism palette from Manny MUA Lunar Beauty. The other duplicate is from Fenty Beauty. It's the same highlighter. All right, I'm going to go pause, check my email, try to figure out what happened. Did I just double shop? Or did I get lucky and sent extra products? Be right back. Okay, I'm back. And I think I understand what happened. So yes, technically I made both purchases. I was billed for both. Here's what I think happened. I distinctly remember on the morning of choice, I put the 2 items into my cart. And I went back and forth whether or not I wanted the OFRA blush. I put it in the cart, took it out, and I was also super paranoid that the Lunar Beauty eyeshadow palette would sell out. So I clicked the button to make my purchase and the website kind of froze. I didn't get the confirmation. So I refreshed the page, decided I did want the blush, added the blush to the cart, and made what I thought was the one and only purchase. Apparently, the first time when the website glitched went through, even though it didn't share with me that my purchase went through. So I feel like this is on Boxycharm for sure. It's probably too late to complain. I really want to just keep these items for my 1K giveaway. They're beautiful items. Did I waste an extra $30? Yes. But at the end of the day, that's like $70+ worth of products for $30. So I'm not too mad, but be warned if you are making a purchase and you click that buy button, don't click it again or hit refresh because I just got burned. Okay, moving along to the eye look. So first let me share the swatches. This palette is beautiful. So here we have the bottom row with the darker shades. Here are the shimmers in the middle row. And here is the top row with the lighter mattes. All right, I'm gonna take this shade Bare and put it all over my lid, almost just to set down my foundation and concealer that's on top of my lids. Next, I'm going to take the lightest shade in the top row, which is called Milk Tea, and put it in the outer corner. I'm going to take the same shade, Milk Tea, and smoke out under my eyes. That shade is a lot softer and lighter than I thought it would be. I'm adding a little more, trying to build it up. I think I'm going to go into a darker shade to get more definition. All right, I'm going into this chocolatey brown shade here called Moody and deepen up the outer corner. I'm also going to take the Moody shade and put it under my lashes in the outer thirds. Now I'm going to take this pink shade called Cherry Blossom and put it over the center of my lid. All of the shimmers are gorgeous, but this shade here called Sam is Calling My Name. Last, I'm going to take this white shimmery shade here called So Icy and put it on my brow bone and in the inner corner. I'm going to apply my eyeliner and touch up my mascara off camera and come back and share the final look. Okay, here is the final look. I am not going to lie, it's a beautiful palette. However, I found that the shadows didn't have as much pigment payoff as I was expecting. They're very soft, very light. So if you are the type that tends to go ham by accident, you prefer shadows that are buildable, this may be the palette for you. For example, that dark brown isn't extremely dark. It's still beautiful, don't get me wrong. I just wanted to share with you my thoughts and first impressions of these shadows, that they are very lightly pigmented and very soft. It's not a bad thing. It's just something I wanted to call out. All right, leave me your thoughts, comments down below. What do you think of the eye look I put together? Did you get this palette either because you get the premium box or because you snagged it up in the add-on sale? Apologies if you couldn't get one because they sold out and that I accidentally got 2 of them, but at least now one will be in my 1K giveaway. I'm going to list the MSRP value of the products I picked up in add-ons. I am always pleased with the add-ons. There are some really good deals. I hate when it's choice and there's some products that you really want and you feel like they're going to sell out, so you like go really quick. It stresses me out. Let me know if you go through the same issue doing choice and selecting add-ons. Plus, I don't like now where there's a, what is it, a $4.99, $5 shipping fee unless you make a $25 purchase plus an additional $1.99 handling fee. That sucks, which is why I like to keep things in my cart and then make sure I have everything I want, make that purchase. But there's a risk that something in your cart's going to sell out. I think they do that intentionally just to make more money, because in the past I would do 2, sometimes 3 hauls during the time period that they offered add-ons and the pop-up sale. Now I'm like one and done unless an accident happens, such as this. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.